Who knew I could do A&R for a music label?
Alright, that's another run. And I'm considering, should I continue with this YouTube, this entrepreneurship?
Follow your dreams.
It's just been weighing on my head for so long. I don't know what to do.
I gotta get my jog on right now, right? Get it?
Get it? Jogging's always been a good therapy for me.
Alright, I forgot I got some Zay Copa to listen to.
Zay Copa is a local Miami rapper that spits pure fire.
Get it, Zay?
Look at that watch.
You know, I got some friends that no matter how much time goes by, once you reconnect, it's like you never left.
That's a fugazi. Look at your girl. That's a fugazi. Look at your rides. That's a fugazi. That's a fugazi. If you wanna know, yeah, they call me Zay, can go chill like Mufasa. I get it for the low. Mix it, then I whip it, then I flip it.
Midway point, day 15 of May.
This album's on fire.
Alright, Zay, I hear ya. You're fire, kid, fire. I believe in you.
Real talk.
Although the one thing I told Zay Copa is that he should put his whole library on YouTube.
Catalog.
And that way, over the years, it just accumulates views.
Exponential.
And every time he adds a new album, it just increases the whole.
Oh, look who it be, it's either Z, kinda like Zorro, monster like Goro, kill like my Boro, no bullshit, no Toro, just little old me.
Happy Memorial Day, folks. I pledge allegiance.
That's a fugazi. Look at your girl. That's a fugazi.
Alright, like I always promise you, I share my run times. Middle of the day, 8:46, right on par. Alright. Stay motivated, get out, do something, and I'll see you in the real world.
And don't forget to check out Zay Copa.